Hello guys, I'm here at the park. I'll leave the name on the park in the thumbnail. The reason why I'm here, it's a rainy day, it's a beautiful day. Look how nice this park is. But what I wanted to show you guys is we just had a little bit of rain, which I post another video. I'm gonna walk up to the little creek they got here. It only rained a little bit, and I gotta show you guys how high this water got. Check it out. It's kind of scary to even get closer, but I will get a little closer for you guys. Look at this. And it only rained for a little bit. It's not even, it's barely raining now, it's just sprinkles. But check this out. Actually kind of scary though, to even be up here. I used to live right down the street from the creek. When I opened my back door, this is what I found. But when it rained harder, it actually comes up all the way up and it overflows all this. We had to get flood protection. If you like the video, leave a comment below. Hit share and subscribe for more videos. Alright guys, I'll see you guys next time.